It is raining so hard, there's a river. You see that flow? Oh, that's a river. I don't dare go out because there's thunder and lightning. I wish I could go out. Oh, wow. Look at that flow. Oops, I'm steaming up the window. I'm just in awe of that much water flow. You could put a boat in there and go cruise pretty quick in that. I wish I could get out in the yard and see what it's going to look like out there. It's flowing, look at that. I just wanted to come out. Oh, wow. There's still thunder and lightning, but I wanted to see the yard. I'm risking everything with my camera here. Well, and myself, actually, because of the lightning. Wow, that's because the ground is frozen. It can't go anywhere. Oh, it's deep. Oh, my camera's getting sopping wet. Look at this out here. There's a pool building up in the garden area. All right, I gotta get the camera in. I just think this is awesome, the power of nature. I want to get in before I feel the power of nature. There's an 1/8 inch of water in the garage. Oh, look at this. Stuff is floating. I don't know if you can see it. Wood is floating. This is bad. Oh, what a nightmare. All my boards, all my paneling are here. Why? Because it keeps them dry and safe. Oh, no. A roll of insulation I had on the floor right here, ready to do the wall in the next day or so, is sopping wet. Right where I was standing, it was right here, right where the flow is coming in. Let me show you. I put some sacrificial boards out for now, and you can see it's already starting to do damage. Already, I didn't know it was doing this morning already. That's an 1/8, that might even be a 1/4 inch of water on my floor. It's halfway up my fingernail. Water's starting to run out. Quite a bit of flow, actually. Wow. Oh, that's horrible. I hope it drains out good. What happened is, because of the ice, because normally we shouldn't have snow and ice on the ground right now. There was an ice dam up against the garage. And this is just not natural and normal. All that ice, and then the water is filling up in here between the garage and the 4x4, creating a pond down here. And it's not flowing through the gravel like it's supposed to. It's just dammed up. There, that's all gonna flow into the garage still. All that water. So I took some sacrificial panels and put them down here for now. What a mess. This garage was not designed well to begin with because of this fact. I've got a hole right here it's going to get water in. I've got to fix it. Well, I need rain gutters on here now then. Urgently, I need rain gutters because that is not working out in this time of year. It was all filling up with water over here, just filling up on top of the ice and then flowing into the garage. What a mess. I'm happy I caught it, but I got some damage cleanup to do. Look at that. Where's my camera? I don't know if you can see that flow right there. Stuff is flowing. I can't see my camera display because it's covered in water. You can see dirt and junk floating out. That's flowing out of the garage. There's a river flowing out of my garage. This is not good at all. I can only limit the damage so much. I can't get to a lot of stuff. It's under the cabinets and counters, and all that paneling is in the way. Raining inside my garage where I have charging batteries. Inside my garage. Oh. I need a new roof now, I see too. I'm on my own way. I put a fan out here because everything is nasty wet out here. Just, the humidity is insane. Look at the humidity on here. It's just horrible. Everything is so wet in here. Everything is just terrible. Anything metal is just sopping wet. The battery up there is just dripping water off it. It's so bad in here. So definitely that's not good for anything. So I'm gonna leave that running probably all night. I'll have to, I don't know if it'll make a difference if I shut the door, if it'll make a difference. There's no escape for it. I'll have to figure that one out. But I really hope I can dry it out in here, because this was a devastating, even that's getting wet, just sitting in here now. That was a devastating flood. We gotta go haul firewood up to the back behind the wood stove. I just loaded up and then recovered that. We got a bad storm coming, so I rushed this part. But I made it. Let me get this back there and covered up. Finally I can get these logs up. It's like, I don't know, 60, maybe 70 degrees today. It's gonna freeze again tomorrow, but we have today. Oh, I thought I'd get that up. They're still frozen down here quite a bit. Finally getting the place cleared up. This is the last of that load that we had. Oh, there it goes. This is the last of that wood we had that we bought and hauled home that time. Our first load, before I really started doing firewood business, was all that. Now I can get the poplar. This stuff is heavy and green though. It's really no good. Yeah, I'm gonna get this up. Pick up anything I can. The rain's coming again, so I gotta put the camera in.